Hi, it's Neil Kearney with Kearney Realty Company, and I just wanted to provide a quick update on the real estate sales in Boulder County. I just posted the numbers for April, and I just wanted to highlight a few of those extraordinary numbers. So for the month, it shows that we're 80% over a year ago, which is true. But you'll have to remember that last year at this point, we were not able to show properties and the sales went way down. So actually, we are about 25% above 2019, which is still really strong. So a super active market. Inventory at the same time. So sales are up by about 25% over the numbers of 2019, but the inventory is down by about 12%. This is all leading that we have a disparity between buyers and the demand from buyers and the inventory from sellers. Median prices, this is causing the prices to rise, and median prices for the month, which we don't usually count individual months, we count bigger chunks of time like years. But the median prices for the month are up about 32% from the same month last year. And more telling is, of the 498 sales that happened in Boulder County, 61% of those sales sold for above the listing price. So that's a really strong number. Usually we're, even in a good market, we're about 40%. So this is 61%. Of those houses that sold for above sales price, over the list price, the average premium paid was 7.6%. The median price paid in excess of the list price, the median was 14.4%. The high was 30% higher than the list price. So on a weekly basis, we're seeing houses come on the market, a bunch of showings take place, and a lot of times these same buyers are making offers week after week after week, and they're making strong offers, and then they're not getting them, so they're making even stronger offers the next week. So it's not uncommon to see offers in the 10 to 20% higher range, and of course, I just told you that the high that we saw last month was 30% higher than the asking price. So this translates to, in excess of 100,000 higher than list price. Along with that, buyers are needing to waive appraisals because appraisals are backward looking. They look at sales that have happened in the past, and buyers, in order to get the properties, are having to look forward and say, is this market can it continue, and what does it take for me to get a house? So buyers are having to take the risk. They're also waiving inspections or limiting inspections in some ways, and giving generous rent back situations, allowing the sellers to stay in the house a little bit longer. All this leads to the fact that it is a supercharged market. Prices are rising quickly, and we'll see what happens and how long this goes. But right now, from everything that I'm hearing from reliable sources, this doesn't seem to be a bubble because there's so much cash in the market. These are not speculative purchases. These are people who want to live in the house long term. So we'll see how this goes. But it's unprecedented. It's a windfall for sellers, and it's really frustrating for buyers and buyers agents who after every weekend seem to have to start from scratch after making a really strong offer. So anyway, take a look at the slideshow that's in conjunction with my April statistics on neilkearney.com, and you get a clear sense of how these prices are really bumping up. Inventory is really low, and sales are very strong. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.